Hi, my name is Merrick Olives. I'm a co-founder and managing partner for Candid Partners.
My name is Aaron Bauckham. I'm the chief architect here at Candid Partners.
Candid is probably the best public cloud advisory firm that you've never heard of. We have about 100 consultants on our roster. At least half of them have deep technical certifications.
Candid Partners is extremely experienced. Some of the features that you hear about today that are used by hundreds or thousands of organizations, the cloud technologies that are using, are actually based on some of the original innovation that Candid Partners worked with those cloud organizations to develop in the first place many, many years ago.
Candid approaches solving problems by looking at what the client's business is going through. Typically, the cloud solution has been triggered by a business need.
So the way Candid handles really tough situations is to take the experience that we have working with other large enterprises that are made up of very, very complex processes and communication channels that exist, and being able to adapt them using a methodology that allows us to take our experience and apply it to these really complex situations. The Candid Cloud Factory is a set of processes, technology, and methodologies that Candid Partners has evolved and honed over the last 6 years at easing and making it a lot simpler to be able to migrate applications from on-premise data centers into the cloud.
So Volker is a Candid developed software application that helps our clients plan, migrate, and secure their applications in the cloud. It is an enabler of the Candid Cloud Factory methodology. So you have the Candid Cloud Factory is how you get there and what are the methods. Volker is the automation software that supports that.
Tools like the Volker Compliance module and a lot of continuous integration and continuous development tools enables organizations to not only find security problems that may exist within their cloud-based infrastructure, but also find it before it's ever installed. So tools like the Volker Compliance module and a lot of continuous integration and continuous development tools such as GoCD are used to be able to facilitate the DevOps infrastructure that can now be built in the cloud that was much more difficult to build on-premise. So those types of tools facilitate applications to be developed faster, to be able to have them developed cheaper, and with much higher quality.
What happens after a client finishes migrating to the cloud is we get to start optimizing not only their technology set, but their business. So that business problem they started with, we've addressed it. We can help improve that. We can help them reduce cost, decommission data centers, move and create products faster and better than they did before. So the after migration is when you really start getting a lot of the value from a business perspective.
Cloud technology helps organizations innovate by speeding the time to market that they can develop solutions, help them learn faster, help them ask questions faster. So organizations are not faced anymore with what's the right solution, but instead trying to figure out what's the right question I should be trying to figure out from my consumers and my customers.
The future of cloud isn't going anywhere. This is probably the largest technology trend I've seen in my career. The value promise is so large and the opportunity is so big. This will go on for years and years because there's so much to take advantage of.